Good afternoon, traders, and welcome to another edition of AwesomeCallsTrading.com. I am AJ. Well, today was eventful. Apple had a nice event. We got a nice sell-offs on Roku and Netflix today. I'm currently in Netflix I'm currently holding right now Netflix at around 285 bucks. I will add on weakness during the webinar if I do see it. I will be overnighting Netflix. I don't have big size, which is fine. And I'm also in a stock called HLNE. It is an offering. I'm played it once for 120 bucks, and now I'm buying on weakness, and then I'm going to overnight that one as well. And I'm also still in AYX. I own that one currently at $116.47. So I'm only down about 40 cents on that one right now. I'm looking for Netflix to rebound to 286 to 288 for some decent return. So hopefully into close, it will get up there. And if it doesn't, I'm sure tomorrow I'll open up with a gap up and be done with it because I'm sure um, the what do you call it? What am I trying to say? The analysts will probably defend the stock in the morning, so I'm not too worried about that. Let's see. Well, today was was interesting because to a lot of people there wasn't much to play, but in here again, my job is to find 12 ideas minimum. My job is to write them down. My job is to give direction and ideas of each stock, how they're going to play out, where they're going to go, and why. And I really I love getting up and researching. This morning I had to get up a little early, 3:30, 3:45, and because my alarm I don't even matter of fact my alarm's off on my phone right now because I get up at 3:30. It's just like automatic. I have my iPad next to me, so I just open up my platform and see what if I'm up or down. And so uh, yes, I'm Mark. I'm taking swing trades. I'll let you know before the webinar's done when I'm going to swing overnight. Okay, Mark. So keep an eye on that. All right, and I'm doing my alarms. Oh, they're back on. Okay. So today in pre-market, Fran was in play from the great Janny, moderator Janny in the room. He ran that from 7 to 10 in the morning. Quite a few traders did trade that pre-market. But Fran was on our list for a quick short down to, I was looking for $8 on it. Then ITCI, Wendy's, HDS, CTRP, HLNE, DG, Race, Netflix, Novalis, Adobe, ABMD, and Tree. And I was Tree and Adobe, Tree and ABMD were for lookouts. I wanted the traders to tell me when Tree would hit 299 to 300. I was begging for it, and nobody could tell me. Unfortunately, I was trying to get the room going, and as you can see what happened, it was right there, 300. And I made it clear if it hit 300, I wanted to buy 100 shares, and I would have made 500 bucks at least. But I did. Nobody told me in the room until it was 303 that it had moved, and nothing I could do. So that one, and then ABMD, I wanted a little bit of a pullback in the morning because I felt that ABMD would recover, and it certainly did. It hit 193. These were on my watch list too. But a couple trades we did very, very well in was we started with NVS. All right, Novartis. It's a very familiar stock. We've played it before many times in our chat room. Bio company, and they were gapping down for absolutely no reason. And I don't think it's a bit significant because the market was bringing it down, but they were just gapping down. Now, one thing about NVS, it's very slow, very methodical. It's got its own world, and you have to take your time. The key thing is just get into stock, go back to bed, see you tomorrow, and have a sell order. It's pretty simple. When you gap down this significant, which it did, with no news, I told everyone in the chat room, take long at 87. The stock will rebound to $89 today. So I put that in writing right here on NVS, which was right. Where'd it go? NVS. Gapping down 2. I would long at 87. Give it room to pull at 86. And the stock will go to 88.50 to 89.50. $89.50. We also have a nice little, so this was a good one. We got a really nice second chance play on HLNE, which I will be buying into weakness. HLNE is a very fun trade because it is an offering. It's only 2 point something million shares at a pricing of, are you ready? You want to see where the stock closed a couple days ago? That's right, $62 a share. See how that hung up there for a long time? Well, guess what? Just like I delivered the other offering the other day, I forgot the name of it already because we made our money and left. Look at this one. Offering is at $60.50. And that's right, you are picking it up almost $3 under the offering price. Hello? Oh, I don't do offerings in my room. My guy won't let me. He said that's stupid stuff. So I said I can't play it. So I guess I can't. Okay, well, that's why you're in that stupid room. All right. But HLNA this morning, man, this was a buying opportunity at 58.50 and anything under on a pullback, and the stock went all the way up to 59.25. So this weakness, oh hell yeah, I'm buying into it. There's no question, no ands, ifs, buts. Boom. Matter of fact, fuck it. Let's buy another 100 more. Oh, I'm sorry. Was that too loud for you? Oh, was that money? I don't know. You ever traded before? Okay. So I'm just going to hold it overnight, and I am looking for 60 to 61 on it. And you want to see it? Here it is, HLNE. I'm green on Netflix. Oh, I'm sorry, but I don't want to sell it. I want 287. That's what I want. Anyway, you see this? Right here, $60.60. With secondary offering, and it's only 2.68 million shares to fill. Pretty small. And my guess is they probably did I don't know what it looks like right now. I'm going to say based on the chart, traders, they probably did under a million 720. So they got a little ways to go. But once this gets filled, back up again. And I already played it earlier here in the room. I went long at 58.94, 500 shares, and I made $121 on the pop there. So now I'm just playing it again for the second time. So I'm playing in cash. And shit, I'll add it 57. I don't give a fuck. Okay, next one. So we did those two. We did a stock called TDD this morning. This was a beautiful, nice bounce play. And on TDD, I went long at 210 and added on any pullback at the open. And I said the stock would rebound back to 212 or more. And as you can clearly see, TDD long at 208, room to 205 at the open, and the stock would bounce to 212. And this was the trade today. And I nailed this one. It's beautiful. 208, room to 205, and the stock would hit 212. And take a look. Between the opening bell and first 17 minutes of the day, it hit 213.5. And then it just squeezed all the way even higher. What a beautiful trade. Well executed. Well done. We also did a stock called HDS. This is, I believe, a supply company. Hold on. Let me see what it is. Yeah, this was nice. Now, this one had an earnings miss, but I felt that the stock would most likely pop at the open and then sell off. And my goal was to nail this, I believe, to 37. I'm going to double check what I said here. HDS. I want to pop towards the 39 area, and then I wanted to sell it down to 36.50 to 37.50. So about 37 area, and then I wanted to curl and go back up long. And that's all I really wanted. Nothing, no heroics, just a decent trade. And as you can see what happened, I'll show it right here. Ding, 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 ding. It didn't quite get the pop I wanted, but I wanted everyone to short the stock, carrying it down. I said 37.50, 36.50, which is 37. Stock double bottomed at 37.24, so I missed it by about 26 cents. And then I did basically a 2-point ramp right back up, and here is at almost 2 points to the upside. Perfectly executed, well written, well described, well done. Another stock that we did today was really fun to play. Was a stock called, where is it? Where is it? I'm looking for it. Where did it? Oh, well, there's Fran, but that's not the one I want. Where's the one I want? It was a gap fill upgrade. It was an upgraded stock. Huh. Okay, well, anyway, we played Fran today. Fran was really nice. And now Fran beat huge. And Briefing did not have it on their reports, but I'll show you what I saw on the scan. Okay, you want to know what huge means in earnings? I want to show you. This is what huge means. All right, you ready? Okay, so as I'm scrolling through my platform here and I'm looking for results and the EPS and all that, okay? And look at this. You ready? Look at that. Reports adjusted 106 million versus 11 million. Are you kidding me? EPS was 61 cents versus last year of 16. Holy cow. Oh my goodness. That's crazy. Okay? I mean, that's just nuts. All right? You want to know why stock's going to move? How about that? I mean, that's just nuts. All right? Then they had, I think over here. Anyway, that was enough for me. Netflix. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I want 287. I'm sorry. Sorry. I want more money. Okay? Because I'm a greedy fuck. All right? I play Netflix on the webinar. See at 286? Now, I could take it because I'm down here. But I'm AJ. And I want here. I want 287. Okay? That's what I want. So, this one, HDS, which is right here. Is that what I was talking about? No, Fran. I'm sorry. I got so happy looking at money. So, in this morning, the great Janny saw the flag breakout right there. Boom, long. I mean, hello. Earnings has just come out. Conference call coming up. Bam. I mean, look at that thing. That's dope city right there. Okay. And now the way we had to play it at the open was different. There was no way this stock was going to gap fill. I mean, you can't. There's what? What are you thinking? It's not going to gap fill. But what it was going to do was, I wanted traders to go long the stock if it broke through 10. So I wanted to go pop it and then nail it. Now I had the stock max at 10.50 to 11. Once it snapped 10 again, I wanted to short the stock and take it down to $8. Now I did miss it down a little bit by about 29 cents, but fuck it. If that's not a great call, I don't know what is. And that's what I called on Fran. We need the number one pick. If it pushes through 10, it will go to 11. And so you could just basically take 1,000 shares and let it, okay, I'm done for the day. Bye-bye. Once it pulled, I wanted the 875 9 spot, break the 10, and then you would come down to about 850 and under. And the stock would stay around 850. And that's pretty much what it did. Stayed around 830, 850. It's all about how to know. It's all about how to know. Now, I'm going to give you another one. Now, this is going to blow you away. Okay? You need to sit tight. For you small cap rooms that, oh, you don't do what we do in my room, and then we have pizza and get hats. And we draw lines and scalp 17,000 times on 8 cents. So my owner can make money. And yeah, we do 50 trades per 10 cents scalping because he gets paid per ticket. That's why he takes us to pizza all the time and buys us drinks, get us drunk so we can be more More ticks. Click, 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 click. It's stupid. Unbelievable. Anyway, one day I'm going to have a club of people that didn't make it. Okay? I'm sure the room will be filled. And then I'll give everybody brown bags. Okay, so on this one, what was it? ITC. FDA does not plan to meet. What the fuck does that mean? I mean, you who writes this shit? FDA does not plan to meet. So you should gut a stock? Okay. You know what the stock? I'm looking at a stock that's $10.33 from previous close. And I'm already saying the stock's going to 11. The stock's $11. How do I know that? 16 fucking years of day trading, people. I mean, you either know it or you don't. Okay? So this was a no-brainer. If it pulled at 758 at the open, go long. That's it. Just go long. Take that sucker to 11. You want to see the trade? Boom. ITCI. So for you small cap people, you could have came in here. Right here. See it? Now, I wanted 8, 758. Mike Purdue did too. We all wanted it. But it all double bottomed right around here. I'm up 500. I'm up 50. I'm up $570 on HLNE. Cool. And the stock ran to 11. I'm sorry. Did I say 11? Mr. Purdue, can you look real quick? Double top. I'm sorry. What does that say? What's the double top? 11? Oh, shit. Damn. Stop being right. Stop it. Can we just be an average room? No. Brawley's up $230. Everybody's up right now on a stock I'm doing live. HLNE, right? Oh, you don't trade offerings in your room. Yeah. Yeah. You don't trade offerings because you're not allowed because the owner of the room is fucking stupid. Okay, and if you didn't learn anything on Cure, I don't know what to tell you. Remember this one? Remember this one? $2.50 below the offering price. Did it hit 47? Snoozer. Okay, shit, I had one more I wanted to do for you. Now, I did lose on a trade, so for all you trolls, you could record this and put it all over Twitter if you want. And it was by choice because I was stubborn. I was stubborn. It was my fault. I needed 120. I needed 120, and I would have been green on the trade. And I had added into weakness. I did not anticipate a huge pull. Again, this is a stock that tumbled from 147 2 days ago down to this, and it just looks like a downside trend, to be honest with you. But I bought it. I added into weakness. I'm trying to stay with it for about one more day, and you can see where it was. So all I need at this point is 118 to 120, and if I get it this time, I'm going to take it. But you can see I hit my 120, and after I hit 120, I was stubborn. It was me, and for that, it cost me $900 for being stupid. So my own mistake. I blame only to me. I was trading TDD. I banked on Netflix. I did Adobe. I did NVS. I did what was it? Race. I mean, I nailed everything. I had one red trade today. It was this one. So I bought a second batch down here at 116.47. I was green right here. As you can see, it double topped again. And then it kind of pulled a little bit. So I'm going to hold it, give it another day or two. And if I have to cut it, then I'll have to work harder to get my money back. So, but hey, even I'm stubborn sometimes. I want something a certain way, and but all those that bought it this morning at 115, 116, hello, you got your 4 points, but not too bad. CTRP, oh, there it is, Dollar General. That's right, I couldn't see it. This was a no-brainer. I mean, this was an analyst calls by Bernstein, no-brainer, done deal. When do I close? When do I collect the paycheck? Have a nice day. I mean, this analyst which is not too bad. He's a tier 3. I might move him up, you know. Instead of the bathroom, he could sweep floors, but I kind of like him. You know, he proved himself today. But you see how he gives an underperform rating or market perform rating? You want to see the price target he gave? He gave this stock this morning. I cut it. I found it. I'll show it to you. I had to go through a bunch of these scans because you see nobody puts to you the price target. See that? There it is. I had to go through like 7 of them this morning just to find the price target. Briefy doesn't even have this kind of stuff. See, this is why I have this kind of scan. And because look, what happens is you've got all these services, but not all the wires are the same. I don't even think the only person that had this was Street Insider. I don't think Fly on the Wall even had this listed. Let me show you. I could be wrong, but let me look. Bernstein. Today, this is Fly on the Wall. Bernstein. Look. And there it is, Dollar General, downgraded, but no price. That you wouldn't have got a price. So I'm like, okay, what's the price? This is why I have 2 scans. Right? So here's the price. I found it, 145. Okay, I got a stock that's sitting at $159, $160 a share. I got the market kind of pulling a little bit. What do you think the stock's going to do? What do you think it's going to do? Just fucking just sit there? I mean, come on, think. You're a trader. Trade it. All right? So here's Dollar General. Right? Now you want to see what I called? It's kind of got to make you sick. You want to see what I called? I'll show you what I called. I told everyone to take the short at 158. Start in. Give it room to add to 160 if it comes. You see that 160 spot? You'll have a 159 average. Do you know where the stock's going to go? Do you have any idea where it's going to go? I do. I knew before the market even opened. You know where it's going to go? I'll show you where it's going to go. The stock's going to go to 155 bucks. It's done. I've already written it. I don't need to ask permission or somebody's opinion because I don't really give a fuck. Stock's going 155. All I got to do is short it. 100 shares, 50 shares, 200 shares, 300 shares, 400 shares. I don't give a shit. Just get in there. 158.50. Start. Add the pop. Go back to sleep. Cover at 155. Are you ready? Ding, 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 ding. 155. Fucking hard was that? Well, we don't trade analyst calls in our pizza club. That's not part of the pump and dump program. No, we don't do that here. Okay, then go back to sleep then. Stay in bed. You're not a trader if you can't do things like this, as far as I'm concerned. You're just one-dimensional, and you'll always be. I choose not to live like that. I can't be one-dimensional. Okay, that's it. Now, I just want, for you guys watching the webinar that aren't in the room, this is a Christmas gift coming to you. You see that? That's a Christmas gift. So when this thing hits below the day, I'm going to add again. Look at that. It's an offering. I'm getting it now from 62.50, 60.50 right here. Look at the discount I'm getting. 3 points already. Almost 3.5. I will take that shit all day long. Okay, that's today's webinar. Thank you so much, and we had a wonderful day today. Enjoy the afternoon. Take care. God bless. I will see you tomorrow. You want to be part of the room? Click here. 25 a day. 100 for a week. And if you convert to monthly, we give you back that money. Or you can just do $6 a day and be in the room. So be good. Be well. Be safe. And I will see you tomorrow because this is what we do. We are Awesome Calls Trading. Take care.